All right, guys. This matter where I carry console a different matter entirely. But it's a reality. It's a discussion that we need to talk about. To put out there for people that is jackpotting out of Nigeria every day to see it in a different perception. Dele Momodu don't come out now. Come talk. Say anybody who believes that you having 30 million naira to 40 million naira, you are not a rich person in Nigeria, you must be a man. That's his word, unquote. But I would like you guys to listen to what Dele Momodu have to say here. Because your opinionism is very, very important on this particular one. As you and I know, a lot of Nigerians are running away from Nigeria. In fact, they are escaping out of Nigeria every day. But on this particular video, then I would like to hear from you. What do you think? Because a lot of people read your comment as well. But meanwhile, listen to what Dele Momodu have to say here.
Pack yourselves and pay 30 to 40 million because you're a family of 5. And now, with the exchange rate, tickets are in millions. So you carry 30, 40 million, you go and buy the ticket. You think your problems are solved once you land in London or in America. My brother, my sister, your problem has just started. Unless a miracle happens, and that miracle be 1 in 1 million, a miracle happens. If you had 30, 40 million in Nigeria and you think you are a poor man, I beg you, you are a madman. I'm sorry, I'm being brutally frank. You have 30, 40 million and you can't set up a proper business in Nigeria. I beg you, think again. I know what I'm saying may sound stupid to you. Oh, you pack yourselves and pay 30 to 40 million because you're a family of 5. And insecurity, there's nowhere where there is perfect security. On a single day, 3,000 people got killed in New York. The people of New York have not abandoned New York because of that. So if insecurity is your problem, in fact, you can provide your own security in Nigeria. If food is the matter, in fact, if you want to start your own ranch in Nigeria with cows and everything, with 30 million, you can start. But the attraction of going abroad, I tell people, is that when you go on vacation, everybody welcomes you. You are staying with your family in the free house. The day you carry all your children to another man's house and he knows you are not going to leave in a hurry, then you will see the difference. When it's a vacation, they know about 3 weeks, 4 weeks, you are going back. They don't mind. They will endure. But when it becomes a permanent burden on their own family, you will be rejected. And the day you now rent your own house, that is the trauma you are going to carry almost for the rest of your life.
Which trauma? The rejection from your friends or the trauma of renting?
The trauma of renting your own house, because now you now have to face the reality of paying your own bills abroad. And there is no mercy. They are merciless. There's nothing like, I'm owing NEPA, let me go to NEPA and bribe someone or beg someone to help me. There is nothing like that. Your money finishes, your life goes. No mercy. Abroad.
Now, you've heard him. What is your take on the video that you just watched right now? Dele Momodu saying that those who believe that they have 30 to 40 million naira in Nigeria and you're still a poor man, then you are a man. Dele Momodu is saying that if you have 30 to 40 million naira, it's enough for you to establish a business in Nigeria and it will be profitable to you. For me, I don't have much to say on this, but I would rather wait to learn from some of you on the comment section. But on the platform where I got this particular video from, although the anchor of this video is from Teju Babyface. Many of you know Teju Babyface. But the platform where I got it from, I picked one particular comment from there. Let's read this together. This one is coming from the football journey. He said, I left Nigeria because I wanted a simple, quiet, functional life. I want to turn on my tap and find water. I want to turn on my light and find electricity, not to buy 2 generators, 3 inverters, buy fuel daily, and have 5 generator repair men on speed dial. I want to be sure that I will get health care even at 3 a.m. and it is totally free where I am. I want to get burger and fries at 4 a.m. and be able to take a stroll in my neighborhood at midnight. I want my kids to grow in a safety and sanity, in a society where safety and sanity are basic. A society where I don't have to be a big man, politician's son, or billionaire to get justice, protection, or dignity. A place where the 5:25 p.m. bus arrives at 5:25 p.m. Exactly. A place where morality is still in vogue. Where money is not the end all. That's all I want. The dignity to live like human beings. I'm not rich here, but it is the best gift I could have ever given my family. I will pray for Nigeria from a distance. Now see, where did that person they talk? What is your take as well? Because this time, on this video, I want to leave everything on question. Because me want to learn on this. Because if I have to leave my opinion, my take on this, I go to spend time for this video. And some of you might not be able to leave your organic take or opinion on this particular video. What is your take? Thank you very much for watching. This is NAIJA Media. Like our videos. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time on our live broadcast. Thank you very much. Take care and bye for now.